Audi proves electric doesn't mean boring. The e-tron GT RS is a statement piece. Performance, style, and technology in one. It's a car for enthusiasts, not just early adopters. Audi's electric future is fast, fun, and unmistakably stylish. The e-tron GT RS is a new kind of luxury. It's electric adrenaline. Audi's answer to the question, can EVs be exciting? Absolutely, the e-tron GT RS is proof. This is electric performance redefined. Audi's future is here, and it's thrilling. Now, the ultimate in electric luxury, the Rolls-Royce Spectre. This isn't just an EV, it's a Rolls-Royce, first and foremost. The Spectre is a massive, elegant coupe built on the brand's architecture of luxury. The iconic Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy are reimagined for the electric era. Underneath dual motors, all-wheel drive, 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. 0-60 in 4.4 seconds. Not that it matters. In a Rolls, it's about effortless, silent momentum. Over 330 pounds of sound insulation make the cabin a sanctuary. This is the most serene Rolls ever. Estimated range, 300 miles. Not record-breaking, but more than enough for the clientele. The planar suspension reads the road and delivers that legendary magic carpet ride. Inside, it's pure bespoke luxury. Digital instruments, new infotainment, and the debut of starlight doors with nearly 5,000 illuminated stars. Every detail is obsessively crafted. Leather, wood, metal, even the turn signal sound. The Spectre isn't about numbers, it's about the experience. Rolls-Royce proves electrification enhances luxury, quieter, smoother, more effortless. The Spectre is the ultimate statement piece in the EV world. It's not about being the fastest or longest range, it's about being the most special. The Spectre is a handcrafted masterpiece for a new era. Rolls-Royce sets a new bar for electric luxury. The future of opulence is silent, smooth, and spectacular. The Spectre is more than a car, it's an experience. Rolls-Royce has redefined what electric luxury can be. The Spectre is the new gold standard. This is electric, elevated to art. Rolls-Royce leads the way, again. The Spectre is the pinnacle. From the tech-forward EQS to the opulent i7, the record-breaking Lucid Air, the thrilling e-tron GT and the unmatched Spectre, electric luxury is here. These cars are more than transportation. They're showcases of style, engineering, and innovation. Clean energy and high luxury now go hand in hand. Each car offers a unique vision, but all push the boundaries of what's possible. The electric future isn't a compromise, it's an upgrade. What should we explore next? High-performance electric SUVs? Wild concept cars? Let us know in the comments. The road ahead is electric, and it's never looked so luxurious.